Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy causes. First, make sure Fortnite and the Epic launcher are fully updated. Mismatched versions cause sync issues. Once done, restart your PC and power cycle your router to clear transient network hiccups. Next, open Epic Games, select Fortnite, and run Verify or Repair to fix corrupted files. This often resolves running state bugs quickly. Make sure to close background apps that interfere with input or networking before moving on to deeper fixes. If the bug persists, focus on drivers and overlays because they change how input and frame timing behave. Update your GPU drivers to the latest WHQL or game-ready release. Driver regressions often break movement. Disable all overlays, Discord, GeForce Experience, Xbox Game Bar, since they inject code that can alter running states. Then test alternate launch flags like DX11 or Nemansky to force a stable renderer. This isolates DirectX timing problems. Once changes are tested, note which step fixed it. To finish, perform a clean reinstall if previous steps fail. Uninstall Fortnite, remove leftover folders in program files and app data, then reinstall from Epic. You also want to backup and reset key bindings or controller configs because a bad input map can mimic a running bug. If the issue still appears, collect logs, DXDiag, and GPU info and contact Epic support with those files. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different controller or keyboard to quickly rule out hardware-specific faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.